I started practicing dentistry in 1984 when I got out of dental school, and started with my dentist, who had been my dentist since I was probably 5 years old. Practiced with him for 2 years, and this is in the Long Beach area, which is literally less than 10 minutes from here. And then after I'd been with him a year, he said, you know, it's time for me to be done and I'd like you to take over for me. Up until that point, I had been practicing, just seeing my own patients, building my own practice. And so when he retired, I took over his practice, combined it with the one that I had already built, and stayed in that building until about 1990. We built this space out that we're currently at in Los Alamitos in 92. So we've been here for, gosh, 24 years now, long time. What drew me to practice in this area is that we knew that the school district was really good. And so at that point, when we moved here and built the practice over here, our kids were probably about, I think when we moved here to Rossmore, but I already had the practice here, our son was just starting kindergarten. But we had actually, when we built the practice here, he was 3, 2. So part of it was close enough to where we could move the practice, still maintain our patient base. Both my wife and I are from Lakewood, which is where the practice was before, Lakewood, Long Beach area. And so just moving it this way a little bit, it afforded us for our kids to go to school where we wanted them to go to school. And it happened that this building that I built the practice in was brand new at the time, and the suite that we ended up building out was just open. So in other words, we could take something that was just from scratch and completely design it the way that we wanted to design it, which wasn't an opportunity in the building that we were at currently, before we moved.